Welcome back, data enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the captivating realm of data, unpacking the nuanced disparity between two pillars of the industry, data analytics and data science. So, grab your notebooks and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Data analytics and data science are two closely related fields that involve working with data to extract insights and inform decision-making, but they have distinct differences in focus, methodologies, and objectives. Let's discuss one by one. To begin, let's differentiate between data analytics and data science. Data analytics primarily revolves around extracting meaningful insights from data to aid decision-making processes. It encompasses various techniques such as descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics involves summarizing historical data to understand what happened. Diagnostic analytics delves into why it happened by uncovering patterns and relationships within the data. Predictive analytics forecasts future trends and outcomes, while prescriptive analytics recommends actions to optimize results. On the other hand, data science encompasses a broader spectrum, incorporating elements of statistics, machine learning, computer science, and domain expertise. It entails not only analyzing data but also involves data preparation, feature engineering, model building, and deployment. Data scientists possess a multidisciplinary skill set, capable of handling vast and complex datasets, developing predictive models, and deriving actionable insights. They often leverage advanced algorithms and techniques like neural networks, natural language processing, and deep learning to extract valuable insights from data. While both data analytics and data science aim to extract insights from data, the key disparity lies in their objectives and methodologies. Data analytics tends to focus on descriptive and diagnostic analyses, providing historical context and explaining past trends. In contrast, data science encompasses a broader range of activities, including predictive modeling and prescriptive analytics, with a strong emphasis on algorithmic complexity and predictive accuracy. In essence, data analytics serves as the foundation, offering valuable insights into historical data, while data science propels us into the future, leveraging advanced techniques to forecast trends and optimize decision-making. Understanding the disparity between these two disciplines is crucial for navigating the ever-evolving landscape of data-driven innovation. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.